In this video I'll be explaining the difference between Intarsia crochet and Tapestry crochet. In Tapestry crochet, when you change colour, you keep one of the yarns running through your work behind the stitches, whereas in Intarsia you drop the yarn when you change colour and pick it up again. I'll show you what I mean. So I'm coming up to the point where I'm going to change colour. I start my stitch, I pull through 2 loops, hold this one in place and pick up the second colour and complete the stitch in this colour. Now in Intarsia I'll continue with my single crochet and leave this colour behind the work, ready to pick up again in the next round. In Tapestry crochet, I would carry this yarn through the whole of the work, and this can be useful if you've got 2 colours either side, like this white one. So you'd want to carry the white the whole way through the work and pick it up again on this side. The only downside is sometimes the colour can show through the work, which is why I've done the cut and tie method on this one. So I'll show you what I mean. I get to the point where I'm going to change colour, which is here. Pull through 2 loops. Complete the stitch with the second colour, and then I would continue with the rest of my single crochet, but I would carry the previous colour's yarn through the work like this, wrapping the stitches around it as I go.